I'm going to explain how to simplify complex fractions. Now, if you notice, complex fractions are fractions that have fractions in the numerator or sometimes in the denominator as well. And I'm going to show you two different methods. The first one is combining. The second one is using the LCD. So let's start first with this example. So the steps include adding and subtracting expressions in the numerator and denominator, and then we're going to change that into division that turns into multiplication. So what I'm going to do, this is the whole numerator. If you notice, that whole thing is the numerator and this whole thing is the denominator. So we want to combine them. So using their LCD is t minus 4 times t plus 5. T minus 4 times t plus 5. So I'm going to change the first one by multiplying top and bottom by t plus 5 and the second one by t minus 4. So that will turn to, and then in the denominator I'm going to multiply this by t minus 4, multiply this by t plus 5. Okay. Simplifying that further, notice I already copied down each of the denominator since I can already combine the numerators. So the first one will be this. That would be t plus 5 plus t minus 4. So that's in the numerator. In the denominator, that's going to be, if I distribute that, the 2 and the 6. So that becomes 6t minus 24 plus 2t plus 10. And I am going to combine it over here. That would become 8t plus 14. So this is the whole numerator. And this is the whole denominator. So remember, fractions are indicated divisions. So what I'm going to do is change that division into multiplication. So that means I'm going to multiply the numerator, which is this. I'm going to combine that now, 2t plus 1. So that's 2t plus 1 over t minus 4t plus 5 times the reciprocal of the denominator over 8t plus 14. And then notice that everything is being multiplied out, which means I can divide this out, cancel that, or divide that out into 1, t plus 5 as well. So I'm left with that. So my final answer would be 2t plus 1 over 8t plus 14.